You want some food? Mmm. Yum. Is there any peas in there? Mmm. That's good stuff, huh? Okay. How about something special?
Alright, you want to try some peas, babe? Just a little bit.
Here we go.
We'll even mix it with some cereal.
What's that stuff? You got two different types of cereal going over there?
Here you go. Ready? Peas.
You don't like your peas? No?
No.
No peas?
Let me take that. Are you sure?
Oh. That is a bummer, Dad.
You want some regular? Wash it down? This is plain.
I don't trust you.
Oh, yucky. Here. It's regular.
Dude, eat. You can do it.
Here. It's got the taste in your mouth. Yum.
A little better?
Yeah? No. Are we all done now? I don't trust you, Mama.
No peas for Maze.